Hello everybody, we are here at Hershey's, at the Hershey's like car museum thing, and we're looking at some trains. Nick, do you like trains?
I love trains.
Do you like trains?
Love trains.
Hey G, do you like trains? Who else likes trains? Do you like trains? Everyone likes trains.
Yeah.
Let's watch the train. Get this stupid thing out. Hey Nick, technically I'm still wearing the mask.
Technically you are.
Yeah. I still have a mask on.
Except, like, people at the mountain have to and you just punch them in the face.
Yeah, so we have to wear stupid, ugly, moldy masks because of stupid COVID-19.
Yes.
It's annoying. Come on, train. I wish that thing was wrong. This steam train thing. Let's watch. Hey!
Step on cable.
No, because I was backed up and like stepped on G. Whoops. Hello. Ooh, and there's a firehouse. And there's a ditch. And there's a butt. Ow. And there's a policeman. Alright. That's it for the trains. See you guys in the next one.